you raised AZ on your own.
Yes.
Kasi naghiwalay kayo no? What was that like?
It was hard. Kasi I was dealing with emotionally and mentally, lahat na lang yan. Because I'm a battered wife.
Oh, yeah.
The best ko na lang nakakampi nun was, not really best, pero si God talaga.
Oo.
Si God lang talaga because He was the one giving me strength. All were prayers talaga.
Gaano katagal ka, tita, na battered wife?
Oh,
Kasi you had 2 kids na
yes. 7 years?
7 years.
8 years.
And what was that tipping point na nag-decide ka, ayoko na?
Yung time na binaril ako. Yung lumusot lang po. Pero,
Binaril ka?
yes, kasi he was really, high.
Oo. Pero, hand ni Lord yun, hindi ka natamaan. Did you know that when you were growing up?
Ito ba
AZ?
yung tinatakpan kita?
Mm-mm.
There was a time kasi
Kasi
na,
nandyan siya that time.
there was a time na ako yung nasa harap. Parang kinakover ko si mommy.
Dahil tinututukan ako ng baril.
Oh my. And after all this, AZ, you still have good memories of your dad.
Yes.
Why
po.
is that?
Kasi I know my dad kapag hindi siya lasing eh. So, hindi ko masyado na ma-mind. I know na it's just because of the alcohol.
Or in the drugs?
At
Yeah.
saka hindi ko naman na-brainwash dun sila.
Oo.
Because no matter what, daddy nila yan. Naging friends kami.
When we moved back here to
I took good care
Manila.
of him also while he was in the hospital.
Ikaw nag-alaga pa.
Yes,
Matapos kanya tangkain, patayin.
Oo.
Isipin mo, did he know what he did?
I don't think so. Kasi wala.
Medyo nakakalimutan ni daddy
Nakakalimutan
kapag
niya.
ano,
Wow.
Mabait kasi yung father. Sobrang bait talaga.
Ano ang mensahe mo to battered wives?
The best is forgiveness.
But you also walked away.
Because to protect my children.
Yeah.
Kasi nakikita na nila yung pinakamahirap na eh. So, ayoko yung ma-retain yan sa mind nila. That's one thing talaga for the battered wife na we went through with that is forgiveness and also trust God.
Oo.
Ask for strength.
But
from
don't
Him.
stay there. That's the key. Don't
Yes.
stay.
Yes po. Then I move forward. So, ang ginawa ko is focus on my children, focus on myself, also focus on working talaga to give them a good life.
Anong
Kasi-
message mo for AZ?
Oh, anak, I love you and I'm always here for you. No matter what. Sa lahat-lahat akong kakampi mo. Kaya don't hesitate to tell me all your problems kasi I will understand. Kung naintindihan ko lahat ng problema namin ng daddy mo, how much more sa iyo?
centers.
And what was it like seeing your father in rehab?
At first, hindi ko maintindihan since I was so young. Pero never ako naging ashamed. I was upset kasi naawa ako kay daddy na parang binubulong niya kasi sa akin na gusto niya nang umalis. Ayaw niya na doon. Parang nalulungkot siya lang mag-isa. Hindi kami nakakasama, hindi kami nakakausap. Pero parang pinapaintindi sa akin ng family ko na kailangan yun para matapos na yung mga nangyayari. Ako yung nagagalit na parang ilabas na natin si daddy, ganon. To the point na I started to grow older and I started to understand more kung bakit yun yung nangyayari.
And do you realize now how brave it was for your mother to make the decision to separate?
Yes, actually yung pinoprocess niya ngayong annulment nila din daddy, I was mad kasi ayoko talaga na magka-annulment kasi parang official na okay, we're not together in the same house anymore. Okay, daddy's in Manila, they're not together anymore. Pero parang yun lang kaya kong tanggapin muna. At that time hindi ko kaya tanggapin yung annulment until mommy started processing it na and then nalaman ko na lang pinoprocess na pala. There was a time na I was really upset na they separated and that may annulment now ongoing. And then si daddy naman, parang ayaw niya din kasi hindi siya nag-a-appear sa mga hearing ba yun? Yung tawag, oo.